Hey everybody, this is Scare Rookie, and here we are looking at the final product. It is not completely assembled. I just kind of put the pieces on top, so you could see that top shelf that I was talking about and give you an idea of what it's going to look like when it is assembled. You can see the holes here in the top. That is where the PVC will be coming through the top. So they'll look like metal bars for the cemetery wall. But just wanted to have you take a look at the work that we've done as we walk through the process of building these walls with styrofoam, a template for the stonework, a sculpting kit, or you can use a razor blade or a Dremel tool, whatever you prefer, some black paint or dark gray paint, some white latex paint, and a heat gun. A little closer look to see some of the stonework, some of the wear and tear, some of the aging, things to make it look more like stone. Even the little things like these indentations into the stonework. Kind of see it from the side a little better there. That's all from the heat gun, making the stones so they're not perfectly flush. Look more like real stones. So, there you have it. One cemetery wall made out of styrofoam and imagination. So I look forward to your comments. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough tutorial on how to build a cemetery wall. Or it could be any kind of wall. You could do this same thing with full panels and make walls for a dungeon, or a laboratory, or Dracula's castle. Whatever you wanted, whatever your imagination can take you is what you can do. So I hope you enjoyed this video. This is Scare Rookie, going to be signing off. You guys keep on scaring. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.